Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the new vlog. So it's Sunday today and I am watching MTV EMAs. I didn't know that the EMAs were today. I just accidentally saw that. Oh, don't want to get copyrighted. Give me a sec. I accidentally actually saw that when I was on Instagram and I was looking through the photos, and then Little Mix came up, and then it said like that they were hosting MTV EMA like at 8 p.m. UK time, and I was like, it's like that's half an hour from now. And then I quickly switched it off to MTV, and now I'm watching EMAs. And I gotta say, I mean, honestly, I completely forgot about that. Like, I know EMAs were around that time, but like with all of the pandemic and everything, I didn't know what was gonna happen. But I'm so excited that Little Mix is hosting the EMAs. I'm so happy for them. I've been their fan since the X Factor. Like, I've been like the biggest fan, and I'm just so excited for them. It's just they're gonna perform their new song Sweet Melody. If you haven't checked it out, my god, what are you waiting for? This is an amazing song. So yeah, I'm quite excited actually. Gonna watch that. Don't know if I'm gonna watch it till the end. My boyfriend's working his first shift tomorrow, so he has to go to sleep quite early. I'm working my second shift, but I don't want to wake him up. Like, I don't want to stay up very late. So yeah, I'll see how far I'll get. If I probably won't watch it till the end, but I'll see tomorrow who won, who got the award. I'm drinking my ginger tea. It is so spicy, but so good. Also wearing my Harry Potter pajama. So I'm gonna go watch the EMAs. I'll probably vlog more days at once, I think. That is my plan. So I'll see how far I'll get. But yeah, today's Sunday, so as you see, it's the evening. It's like we're gonna go to sleep soon. So yeah, I'm not gonna film more. I just wanted to do an intro here because I was watching EMAs and I just wanted to talk to you guys about that. I'm so excited. Can't wait for Little Mix to perform, as I said, and best song. Oh, BTS. Yeah, there are a lot of good artists here, and I'm so excited to see every one of them. Okay, so I'll go drink my tea, go watch a bit of EMAs, and then I'll catch you all quite soon. Hey guys, so it's Tuesday today, and I'm actually not working today, so I have my day off, which I didn't actually ask for. My boss just gave it to me, so I still have like 4 days left of my days off of like vacation, if you say so. So she gave this one all by herself to me, but then for the other four, I said I want to, pick the date. So, I mean, it's just easier when I decide when I want to have my days off rather than she just giving it to me, because it's just, you just find out like a few days before and you're like, what am I supposed to do? It's just weird, I just like to plan my days off so I can do something I actually can. So today I will be, actually, me and my boyfriend will be cooking. So today we'll have, we're gonna make sweet potatoes and a regular potatoes. We're gonna bake that in the oven, and then I'll make chicken breasts as well, and then I'll see, and we'll do something sweet also, but I'll see what. So this is what we have planned, and then I will show you what it looks like when it's done. I really hope it's gonna be okay. So I've just finished my, let's say, lunch slash dinner. It's more of like a dinner than lunch. And here we go. So I have sweet potato and the usual potato, and we have chicken breast here. And I also added a bit of parsley because I love it and it just gives so much more taste. I'll probably take ketchup as well. Maybe, no, I think I'll just take ketchup. And then that's it. That's my dinner. And then for dessert, I'm making dumplings, which I don't know if that's the right word. I think that's how you say it. I think it's dumplings. Let me know if you know what I mean. They're with marmalade, and I can't wait to eat them. Like, I haven't eaten them in a while. Like, it's been a long time actually, and I really wanted that. So I went to the grocery store today, found them accidentally, and then I was just like, maybe I should make some dumplings today. So I decided for that. I'm just making them, so I'll eat my dinner now and then I'll finish the dumplings and I'll show you when they're done. Hey everybody, so I haven't talked to you in a few days actually. So last I checked, I left you with my dumplings and they were actually really good. As you saw, I put the cinnamon on top. I always try to mix it as much as I can, and I thought I would do them with cinnamon because I haven't tried them with cinnamon yet, and it's really good. I think that cinnamon just gives taste to the food, like it gives a lot of taste to the food. So it was really good actually. But I haven't talked to you in a few days because honestly, it's just a lot's been going on. It's just so many things, and then like the lockdown is happening again here from Monday on. If you're feeling bad or if you're feeling anxious or stressed, I kind of understand how you feel, but you know what, we're gonna get through that. Like we went through the first lockdown, we're gonna get through the second one, and if there's gonna be a third, which I hope it won't be, but if it's gonna be, we're gonna get through that one also. And we just gotta hang in there. We just have to do that. Like, there's nothing left. We have to hang in there, have hope that soon things will get better. And like, honestly, we did have our holidays in summer. Like, to be fair, I know me and my friends and my family, we went like on our holidays, we went to another country. Like, I went to Italy, and I'm so grateful for that actually, because just looking at the situation now, I could not have been more grateful that I actually went there, because now if I want to go anywhere, I can't even go out of my city, nonetheless go out of the country. So yeah, that's the little story I wanted to share with you guys, and just, you know, stay positive, we'll get through this, better days are ahead, we'll be able to go somewhere again, and maybe the next summer will be an amazing one. And just take care of yourself, wash your hands, distance yourself, wear a mask, and everything should be fine. So yeah, I'm just gonna wrap this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will hopefully see you in my next video. And until then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay sane, and just hang in there, we'll be fine. So I'll catch you all soon. Bye.